Chapter 40 Ka idam dushkaram kuryat. In 4th century BC, Magadha was ruled over by Nanda dynasty. Vishnugupta, who was born in Patliputra, the capital of Magadha, brought to an end the tyrannical ruling of Nanda. Vishnugupta was the Acharya, that is teacher, of science of politics in Takshila Vidyapith. He was a teacher by profession, but was proficient in politics. He took keen interest in politics to unite divided states and make people free from tyranny of Nanda and unite India as a whole. Known as Acharya Kautilya, he taught science of politics to an ordinary child, Chandragupta. When Chandragupta Maurya successfully passed out all the tests taken by him, he coronated this worthy disciple on the throne of Magadha. Vishakha-datta, whose probable date is 7th to 9th century, has written a 7-act play named Mudra Rakshasam, selecting this historical event as theme. The present excerpt is an edited version of one of the scenes from the first act of this play. King Nanda had a minister named Amatya Rakshasa, who was very gentle, loyal and affectionate to his people. With the downfall of Nanda dynasty, Amatya Rakshasa was also deposed and went away to unknown place in disguise. Amatya was dutiful and loyal to his country, so Chanakya wanted to appoint him as a minister of Chandragupta. So he calls a merchant named Chandandasa to get information about Amatya Rakshasa. Chandandasa was his personal friend and had given shelter to Rakshasa's family at his home. When Chanakya gets this news, he calls Chandandasa and asks him to find out Amatya Rakshasa. Relative dialogue between Chanakya and Chandandasa is presented here. Chandandasa's loyalty towards his friend is beautifully depicted here. Chandandasa becomes ready to protect his friend and his family even at the cost of his life and proves that the friend is more than even his life. Chandandasa's love for his friend makes Chanakya delighted. You have to learn potential participles used in the lesson.
चाणक्यः वदति स्वशिष्यं प्रति वत्स श्रेष्ठी चन्दनदासः अत्र आनेतव्यः.
Chanakya said, that is to his disciple, O son, the merchant Chandandas should be brought here.
शिष्यः वदति यदा ज्ञापयति उपाध्यायः इति निष्क्रम्य चन्दनदासेन सः पुनः प्रविश्य.
Shishya says, as the preceptor orders, that is, going out and entering again with Chandandas.
चन्दनदासः वदति स्वगतं. चाणक्यः यदा आह्वयति तदा निर्दोषस्य अपि शङ्का वर्धते. किं पुनः जातदोषस्य? अत एव मया अमात्य राक्षसस्य गृहजनो अन्यत्र प्रेषितः. मम तावत् यद्भवति तद्भवतु नाम.
Chandandas says, that is, to himself, the fear of even an innocent man increases when Chanakya summons. Then what to say of one in guilt? It is only because of this that the family of Amatya Rakshas was sent elsewhere by me. As for me, come what may.
शिष्यः वदति
भोः श्रेष्ठीन् इतः इतः.
Shishya says, O merchant, come this way.
चन्दनदासः वदति अयमागतो अस्मि उभौ परिक्रामतः.
Chandandas says, here I come. That is, both move round.
शिष्यः वदति उपाध्याय अयं श्रेष्ठी चन्दनदासः.
Shishya says, revered sir, here is the merchant, Chandandas.
चन्दनदासः वदति उपसृत्य जयतु.
जयद्वार्यः.
Chandandas says, going near. Victory to your noble sir.
चाणक्यः वदति श्रेष्ठीन् स्वागतं ते इदमासनं तत्र स्थातव्यम्.
Chanakya says, welcome to you. Here is the seat. Be seated there.
चन्दनदासः वदति यदार्य आज्ञापयति उपविष्टः.
Chandandas says, as you order. Sits.
चाणक्यः वदति अपि प्रचीयन्ते संव्यवहाराणां वृद्धिलाभः वः.
Chanakya says, are the profits of your mercantile transactions increasing?
चन्दन्दासः वदति स्वगतम् अत्यादरः शक्नीयः प्रकाशम् आर्य अथ किम् आर्यस्य प्रसादेन अखण्डितामि वाणिज्या.
Chandandas says to himself, undue honor should be a cause of doubt. Aloud, sir, certainly, by your favor, my business is uninterrupted.
चाणक्यः वदति भोः श्रेष्ठिन् अपि कदाचित् चन्द्रगुप्तस्य दोषान् पूर्वनिरूपतेः नन्दस्य गुणान् अधुना स्मरन्ति प्रकृतयः.
Chanakya says, O merchant, do the subjects sometimes remember Chandragupta's fault and the good qualities of the earlier king Nand now?
चन्दन्दासः वदति शान्तं पापम्
शारदनिशा समृद्धतेन
पूर्णिमाचन्द्रेण अधिकं नन्दनन्ति प्रकृतयः.
Chandandas says, good forbid, the subjects are immensely pleased as with the moon rising with full splendor on an autumnal full moon night.
चाणक्यः वदति भोः श्रेष्ठिन् प्रीताभ्यः प्रकृतिभ्यः प्रतिप्रियमिच्छन्ति प्रकृतयः.
Chanakya says, O merchant, king expects benefit in return from the subjects who are pleased.
चन्दन्दास वदति आज्ञापयतु आर्यः किं कयत् च अर्थजातम् अस्मान् जनादिश्यते.
Chandandas says, let noble sir order what and how much amount of money is desired from this person, that is me.
चाणक्यः वदति भोः श्रेष्ठिन् चन्द्रगुप्तराज्यमिदं न नन्दराज्यम्. अर्थः तु नन्दाय एव रोचते स्म. चन्द्रगुप्तस्य तु प्रजानां परिक्लेशाभावे एव रुचिः.
Chanakya says, O merchant, this is Chandragupta's kingdom, not the kingdom of Nand. It was Nand who liked wealth, but Chandragupta is interested in the absence of sorrow for the subjects.
चन्दन्दासः वदति सहर्षम् अनुगृहीतो अस्मि.
Chandandas says, joyfully, I am obliged.
चाणक्यः वदति स च परिक्लेशाभावः कथमा विभर्वतीति न प्रष्टव्यम्.
Chanakya says, and should you not ask how the absence of sorrow will be brought about?
चन्दन्दासः वदति आज्ञापयतु आर्यः.
Chandandas says, may your honor order.
चाणक्यः वदति संक्षेप्तः नृपतिं प्रति अविरुद्धा वृत्तिः वर्तितव्या.
Chanakya says, in brief behaving in a manner which is not against the king.
चन्दन्दासः वदति कः पुनः अदन्यो नृपतेः विरुद्धमाचरति.
Chandandas says, who indeed is the unlucky one that behaves against the king?
चाणक्य वदति भवानेव तावत् प्रथमः.
Chanakya says, you yourself to begin with.
चन्दन्दासः वदति शान्तं पापं कीदृशतॄणानाम् अग्निना सह विरोधः.
Chandandas says, I deprecate the sinful thought. What kind of hostility can straws have with fire?
चाणक्यः वदति अयम् ईदर्शः विरोधः यत् त्वमद्यापि राजविरोधिनः अमात्यराक्षस्य गृहजनं स्वगृहम् अभिनीय रक्षसि.
Chanakya says, this is the hostility that you are even today protecting the family of Amatya Rakshas, the enemy of the king, by taking them to your house.
चन्दन्दासः वदति आर्य अलिकमेतत् केनापि अनभिज्ञेन आर्यस्य एतत् निवेदितम्.
Chandandas says, it is false, noble sir. Some ignorant fellow might have told it to your.
चाणक्यः वदति भोः श्रेष्ठिन् अल्माशङ्कया भीताः पूर्वराजपुरुषाः पौराणं गृहेषु गृहजनं निक्षिप्य देशान्तरं व्रजन्ति ततः तत्प्रच्छादनमेव दोषमुत्पादयति.
Chanakya says, have no misgiving, O merchant. Officers of the former king fly to the other countries in panic, leaving their families in the houses of citizens. Then the very concealment of the fact becomes criminal.
चन्दनदासः वदति एवं नो इदं तस्मिन् समये अमात्यराक्षसस्य गृहजनः मम गृहे आसीत्.
Chandandas says, this is indeed the case. That time the family of Amatya Rakshas was in my house.
चाणक्यः वदति प्रथमम् अनृतम् इदानीम् आसीत् इति परस्परविरुद्धवचने.
Chanakya says, first you said it is false, and now you say it was in my house. These two are contradictory statements.
चन्दनदासः वदति एतावदेव अस्ति मे वाक्छलम्.
Chandandas says, this much only is my fraud of speech.
चाणक्यः वदति भोः श्रेष्ठीं चन्द्रगुप्तस्य राज्ये अपरिग्रहः छलनां तत् समर्पयितव्यः राक्षसस्य गृहजनः अच्छलेन भवितव्यं भवता.
Chanakya says, O merchant, frauds are not acceptable in Chandragupt's kingdom. So the family of Rakshas should be handed over. You should be free from fraud.
चन्दनदासः वदति आर्य ननु विज्ञापयामि तस्मिन् समये आसीत् मम गृहे अमात्यराक्षसस्य गृहजनः.
Chandandas said, Noble sir, I humbly say that the family of Rakshas was in my house at that time.
चाणक्यः वदति अथ इदानीं क्व गतः.
Chanakya says, and where has it gone how?
चन्दनदासः वदति न जानामि कुत्र गतः.
Chandandas says, I don't know where it went.
चाणक्यः वदति कथं न जानासि नाम भोः श्रेष्ठीं चन्दनदास राजविरोधिषु तीक्ष्णदन्तः नृपतिः चन्द्रगुप्तः सः न मर्षयिष्यति राक्षसकल्त्रस्य प्रच्छादनं भवतः तत् रक्षितव्यं परकल्त्रेण आत्मनः कलत्रं जीवितं च.
Chanakya says, how is it that you don't know? O Chandandas, Chandragupta gives severe punishment to those who oppose the king. He will not tolerate your act of hiding Rakshas family. So your own life and family should be protected by the family of others.
चन्दनदासः वदति आर्य किं मे भयं दर्शयति भवान् सन्तमपि गेहे अमात्यराक्षसस्य गृहजनं न समर्पयामि किं पुनः असन्तम्.
Chandandas says, Noble sir, are you threatening me? Even if the family of Rakshas were in my house, I would not hand it over. What to say when it is not there in my house?
चाणक्यः वदति चन्दनदास एष एव ते निश्चयः.
Chanakya says, Chandandas, is it your decision?
चन्दनदासः वदति बाढम् एष मे स्थिरः निश्चयः.
Chandandas says, yes, this is my firm decision.
चाणक्यः वदति स्वगतं साधु चन्दनदास साधु सुलभेष्वर्थलाभेषु परसंवेदने जनः क इदं दुष्करं कुर्यात् इदानीं शिबिना विना.
Chanakya says to himself, Bravo, Chandandas, bravo. Which person in the present age would do this, which is impossible except for Shibi? In spite of the advantages to be easily got by betraying others,